Alright, so if you're a beginner and you're looking to get started in your journey of running your own agency, I'm going to show you how you can start within 24 hours with free tools that you can pull back and get started within the same day that you're watching this video. So you can pause the video at certain sections and then feel free to do it on your own and then come back and finish the rest of the video. So very simple, very quick video. I'm not going to draw this one out. So if you're a beginner and you need help starting, I'm going to give you the essential tools that you need to get started so you can start taking money and start collecting clients and then just fulfilling your services. That's really all about it. So I'm going to show you all the 5 tools that you need. It's basically 4 that are essential and you can use another 5th one. So you're going to need a booking software. So you're going to need something like Calendly. You can use cal.com. This software costs, I believe, $10 a month. It's just really solid. If you want like the premium one, you can use the free one. The only reason to use the premium one is if you want to put your own logos and stuff and send reminders, I think. Otherwise, the free one is fine. You can get started with that for free. And next, you need a calendar, right? Like I recommend Google Workspace. You can get Google Workspace accounts for $7 a month. So you can do a 1-month free trial with them. And again, you know, in that way, that's free as well. So once you got your calendar, then you can set it up with your Google account and then you can start taking calls. Why do you want to take calls? Because that's probably the easiest way to sell your services. So whether you're selling lead gen services, whether you're selling infrastructure, whether you're selling SaaS, whether you're selling something else, the best way to get clients is just talk to them, explain them what, you know, your service is, and then close them, right? It's super simple. I'm going to show you the rest of the steps as well after I show you the tools that you need to get started with. So once you got this is optional, but I highly recommend it, is if you're doing any type of like lead gen stuff or service, a very easy, very quick and simple tool to use. Just use an e-signatures type platform. I recommend using esignatures.com. They're cheap. I think it costs 50 cents per contract. Yep, 50 cents per contract. And basically for $50, you can get 100 contracts in the door, which is great. So why you need a contracts? Again, just to make sure you stay legal. If anything goes wrong, then you can just refer back to it. And obviously clients take you more serious as well. Next is a finance software, which I recommend Stripe. Stripe is just a no-brainer for most people. The reason I recommend it is because there's really no other alternatives that are super user-friendly, easy to get started. Sure, there's something called Square, fan bases as well. They're good, but nothing really comes close to the ease of use support that Stripe brings you. So Stripe charges 3.5% usually on your transactions. And then if you want to convert that into other currencies, they also charge a different fee, but you know, it's generally free to get started. And I think if you create a new account up to 10K cash collected, you don't pay anything to Stripe. And then finally, if you got that, you need a CRM to track everything. You can start off with Notion because Notion is free. And now once you got all these tools lined up, they shouldn't really take you more than like 2 hours to set up, even if you completely new, right? So you need the calendar, you need the Calendly, right, to connect so you can take sales calls. And it doesn't matter if you're selling SaaS, doesn't matter selling something else. You do need this. You need e-signatures to, you know, stay obviously professional. Clients take you more seriously if you have an agreement with them. And the next Stripe to actually collect payments, and then Notion to keep track of the clients. For starters, Notion is fine. Obviously, if you want to get more complex, then you could use something else like Attio or other types of CRMs. So next is, once you got this, you need client acquisition strategy. So you need to find leads. And I'm just going to like quick fire go through all of this. This is part of like a bigger program, but all you need to do really is just like take notes, find leads, scrape data, message prospects, book a call with them, close the deal, service delivery. That's it, right? That's really, if you want to pause the video here so you can read my notes, feel free to do it, but this is really all about it. Find leads, scrape data, messages, book a call, close the deal, service delivery, right? If you're doing outbound, which is obviously the cheapest way to get started, you can do inbound, just posting content. Paid ads is just more expensive, but if you're starting out, most likely you don't know what you're doing with paid ads. So this is probably the easiest way to do this at scale. And if you want to do cold emails, which I recommend you to do, come to mailduck.co and we offer a ton of email packages for you The best ROI right now, I think, is Outlook because everything else is pretty much sold out. But you can go with this for $50 a month. You can send up to 50K emails per day. We connect the inboxes to your account. So there's hassle-free. So just a little bit more context on this though. I'm going to show you, I think, about like 30 methods on how you can get clients. I'm going to go through them like super quick as well. So at any point you want to pause the video, feel free to do it. Take notes. This is just meant to be a quick guide that you can pause. And if you need help starting your agency, you can just refer back to this at any point, right? If you want to look at our more detailed guide, it should be linked at somewhere here above my head. It's a 4 or 5 hour video, pretty much covers the same topics, just in obviously more detail. So you can do mass automated outreach like cold email. This is my bread and butter. Basically, I send 1.5 million emails per day. And this is by far the cheapest way to reach millions of people per day. Next, you can do social media, SMS automations, and they all come with their own complexities. You can use something called Loom, and you can automate Loom outreach methods. You could do something called ideal outreach, which is basically you manually reaching out to prospects. I can also extend this if you're comfortable, obviously enough. You can like sign clients in person. I know a lot of people are just afraid to do networking and stuff, but the best way to, I think, sign clients is if you don't want to spend money, is obviously just use your own network and then sign clients in person, because nobody's doing that. And next is service-based lead magnets. So you could just pull out these lead magnets and get some clients through there. Same with lead magnets. SEO optimized videos, email lists, posting on social media, engaging with your audience. So for example, again, you can get clients if you post a video on YouTube, but if you engage with your audience, you can get more clients. Posting case studies results can also attract clients. Joining paid groups that giving value can also get you more clients. Commenting on other people's content and just taking their authority and just getting more clients is also an option. Calling, opt-in posts, sending videos to your old leads and just reactivating them. Using iPhone for SMS is also a good strategy. Forming strategic partnerships, creating affiliate programs, retargeting ads, paid trial offers, using people's audiences, sending thank you notes, creating waitlist services, and hosting webinars and live demos. And that's pretty much all you need, right? Now you know how you can get started, what softwares you need. I'm not going to go into, obviously there's dozens of softwares that you can use with these strategies that I mentioned, but like just let me zoom out. The most important thing for you when you're just starting out is just be fast, do employ a lot of action, and then you can fix things later. So all you need again is just a way to take sales calls, closing clients, and then fulfillment on your services. And that's it, really. That's all there is to it. So if you got questions, let me know. If you want a more detailed guide, again, click somewhere here above my head and I'll see you there. Cheers.